Hi boys and girls, today we are going to solve subtraction word problems. Our objectives is I can solve a subtraction story problem by finding what is left. Our language objective is I can explain how I solve the problem using sentence frames. So let's get started, but let's remember what subtraction means. Subtraction means to take away. So for example, I'll read the story to you, so listen carefully. If I have 10 crayons and I give you 3 to my friend, that means I'm taking 3 away. I want you to say this with me. Subtraction means take away. Great. So here's are some words we see in subtraction story problem. Left, take away, minus, how many's are gone. These words tell us that we are subtracting in the words problem. You can use subtractions all the time. When you eat some snacks, when you lose crayons, or when you're playing with the toys and your siblings take one away. Subtraction helps us find out what's left. So now let me show you how to solve a story problem. Lily had 12 stickers. She gave 5 to her friends. How many stickers does she have left? First, we are going to underline the important numbers and words. So we are going to underline 12 stickers and gave away 5. Good. So now that tells us we are taking away. So that means we are subtracting. Good. Okay, now write your equations for me. What is our big number? 12 minus 5 equal. Good. So to solve this, we can use a linking cube, a drawing, or maybe just using your finger by counting on. Okay, so I'm gonna use picture. I will draw 12 circles. Now I will cross out 5. How many are left? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, we are going to explain our work by using sentence frame or sentence statements. Lily had 12 stickers. She gave away 5. There are 7 left. Good job. So here is my question for you. What would change in the story if Lily gave away more than 5 stickers? Think about how the number left changes when the number taken away changes. Good. Okay, I like those answers. Okay, now let's solve it together. Now let's solve another problem together. Ben had 10 marbles. He lost 4 of them. How many marbles does Ben have now? Say the keywords with me. Lost and how many now? Good. Now write the equation for me. 10 minus 4 equal. Good. Okay, now we're going to draw our picture. Draw 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So Ben has 6 marbles. Now repeat after me using the sentence frame. Ben had 10 marbles. He lost 4. Now he has 6. Good job. Now it's your turn. This time I'm not gonna help you and it's all on your own, okay? So the problem, I will read the problem for you. Now the problem. Maria had 15 apples. She ate 6. How many apples are left? What's the first step that we do? Underline your keyword. Are we adding or subtracting? Okay, subtracting. Now write your number sentence. And then what? Draw a picture. Cross off. And count on. And then we use our sentence frame. Good. Okay. Got it? Good job. So today we learn how to solve subtraction story problem. We look for words like left, took away, and lost. Then we draw, cross out, and count what's left. Good job today. Check what students already know by asking them what subtraction means. I listen to see if they remember what subtraction means and using their keywords. This helps me know who needs help before we start. I ask a thinking question to help students explain their idea. I want them to think about how the answer changes if the number we take away changes. This helps them understand the problem better, not just copy the steps that I'm doing on the board with them. It's also to test and see if they will remember what are the keywords and the main points of subtraction in the word sentence. I will watch students while they solve problems. I check if they can draw the pictures correctly, if they are drawing the correct amount, if they are crossing out the correct objects or the correct amount. For example, they are not crossing out the bigger numbers, but they are supposed to cross out the smaller number instead. And count what is left. That will help me know if they know how to count forward or they are just stuck at one certain number. I also listen to their sentence frame to see if they understand what subtraction is. I will give them cubes and teach them how to draw pictures to help them. I will use smaller numbers and give them a simple sentence phrase. I will use pictures and hand motions and simple words. I will give them a word bank and let them practice saying the sentence phrases out loud before writing it out on the paper. I'll also give them bigger number or let them make their own story problem. I also ask them to explain their thinking in their own word. For example, instead of giving them my own story, I will come up with a story in front of them using like the student's name in my class. That will help them feel engaged and more entertaining to solve the subtractions problem.